Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp application on your device. Now I'll go step by step on showing you how to use WhatsApp application. Now you make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instructions correctly. Now the most important thing is you must be connected to a good internet service or a Wi-Fi connection. Only then you'll be able to follow the steps. Now make sure that you've already downloaded the WhatsApp application and that you have already created an account on WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp application. Here, as you can see, the interface looks something like this. Now this particular page that we are on, chat page, and if you swipe towards your left side, there is your status, and once again do the same process, swipe again, and there is your calls. Now let's get started by sending a message. So in order to send a message, first of all you need to have a contact list or a particular person or a receiver. Now here, as you can see, there is a particular person. So in order to send a message, now first of all I need to tap on it, and as I tap on it, there you can see this chat box loads. Now in order to send message, what you need to do is right to the bottom, and down there, as you can see, there is a message and there is a cursor. So just tap on the message box, and as soon as you tap on the message, there you can see a keyboard. So from here you need to type or enter the message. So now in case if you want to add some emojis or your smiley on your message, so all you have to do is, now on this particular message box, move towards your left hand side corner, and right on top there you can see a smiley icon. Just tap on the smiley icon. Now as soon as you tap on the smiley icon, there you can see a list of different icons. Now you can add as much smiley as possible. So now you're ready to send a message. Just tap on the arrow icon, which is on the right hand side corner on top. Just tap on it, and here you can see that my message has been sent. In case if you want to make call or a video call, all you have to do is on this particular page, move towards the upper right corner, and right on top there you can see 3 different icons. Now from here, on the first step there is a video call icon, and in case if you want to make a video call, all you have to do is just tap on the video call icon and your call will be sent. The next step is if you want to do an audio call, all you have to do is just tap on the second icon, which is right in the center, and your call will be sent. So the next process is sending a file or an attachment or a contact list or any other stuff. Now on this particular page, right in the bottom there you can see a paperclip icon. Just tap on it. Now as soon as I tap on the paperclip icon, there you can see there is a pop-up window. Do the same process, that is, tap on the arrow icon which is right in the corner, and then you will be able to send all your document or your contact list or whatever that you want to send. Now moving on, in case if you want to add some picture or if you want to post a story or a status, all you have to do is swipe towards your left hand side, and there you can see my status. Now in case if you want to add story or a status, just tap on my status, which is right on top. Now on the other page, you will get to select what you want to post it on your story. Now in order to do that, select the image that you want to post it. So for example, this particular one, just tap on the arrow icon which is right in the bottom, and here as you can see that my story or in status has been uploaded, and this is how you can upload or share a story on your WhatsApp application. Now this is all the basic guide for a beginner on WhatsApp, and that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.